In today's video, I want to discuss two powerful indicators that measure the strength of buying and selling pressure. In other words, by the help of these indicators, you can evaluate the balance of power between bulls and bears to find out if buyers have the upper hand or sellers. Let's begin with the first one. On TradingView platform, here we click on indicators and we search bull-bear power trend. This one, which is written by someone named Redblitz. Alright, this indicator has different components and each has its meaning and indication on the strength of buying or selling pressure. Here we have a green line that is called bull line and it always goes above zero. This black line that you see here at the center of the indicator is the center line, which is zero in this indicator. And you can clearly see that this green line is always moving above zero. And on the other hand, we have this red line, which is called bear line, and it always goes below zero. You can clearly see that it's always moving below zero and it will never go above zero. By now, I guess you got the point how this indicator shows the power of buying or selling pressure. The zero line is acting as a balance point, and on one side are the bulls and on the other side are the bears, and they are competing with each other to take the control. When the bull line or bear line is moving further away from the center line and the other line is getting closer to the center line, it shows that the market is stronger in that side. It's exactly like tug of war game. On one side bulls are pulling the rope and on the other side the bears are pulling the rope. The team that is pulling the rope further away from the center line is showing more strength in the competition. In this indicator we have also two zones of tendency forces, which are +2 above zero and -2 below zero. Actually, this gray area that you see here. When the bull line crosses above +2 level, it shows that an advancing of the price is starting to show strength. And when the bear line crosses below the -2 level, it shows that a declining of the price is starting to show strength. Please pay attention that you should not solely look at the crossing, and you must see the two sides of the zero line to see how the balance of power is. For example, here, when this crossing of bull line above +2 level happened, you can see that on the other side, the bear line is very near to the -2 level, and as the bull line is moving further away from this +2 level, the bear line is above this level and showing no strength. So this crossing can be considered a valid crossing, showing that the bulls are stronger and we have stronger buying pressure in the market. But for example, here, when the bear line crossed below the -2 level, just look at the other side. The bulls are still very strong, and around these parts, it shows equal power on both sides. So you can see that this crossing was just showing a correction or pullback before knowing if the price is going to advance more or it's going to a trading range, which happened here in this case. So the important point here is that you must always watch the both sides to see who has the upper hand. When they are equal, like this part as you can see, it shows a standoff between forces of buyers and sellers. In this situation, the market is in a trading range. Another information that this indicator provides are these small histograms that appear sometimes. Green histogram bars appear when the bull line is above +2 level and the bear line is above -2 level. This shows very weak selling pressure, and in this situation it shows complete bull run. And red histogram bars form when the bear line is below -2 level and the bull line below +2 level. This shows buyers are very weak and the selling pressure is very strong. There is also a black line between bull line and bear line, as you can see, and it's actually the difference between the bull line and the bear line, and it shows direction of the market. When it crosses the center line, it can show changes in the direction of the market and starting of new trends, but it's not always like this, and having false signals is very common with these center line crossovers, so they need more confirmation from other tools and indicators. There is also another indicator for measuring the power of bulls and bears that you can use it in conjunction with this indicator, and together they act amazingly good, especially for the times that you want to forecast when a buying or selling pressure is going to weaken, like what happened here. Here in the indicators, we search bull bear power, this one, which is a built-in indicator in TradingView. This indicator is usually used with its default settings on any time frame, and it's very powerful for finding divergences. For example, here in this part, while the bulls were very strong and the price was advancing very well, at this point, this indicator showed divergence, a bearish divergence. You can see that the price made higher high, but this indicator made lower high, and this indicates that the buying pressure is weakening, and on the other hand, the selling pressure is gaining strength. It can be a correction or pullback, or the price may go to a trading range, or an instant reversal may happen. Whatever the aftermath of the divergence, it shows weakening of the buying or selling pressure. This indicator is very powerful in divergences. For example, another divergence happened here, and after that a pullback formed, and then with the formation of this long engulfing candle and appearance of the green histogram bar, you could be pretty sure that the bulls are still in control and the price is going to advance more. This divergence happened while the price was advancing, which gives an alarm that the upside pressure is weakening, so we could exit our position here if we had opened it here. And you can see how the price went to a trading range after that. And at the same period that the price is in a trading range, if you look at this indicator, you can clearly see the equal power on both sides of the center line, which I've already explained this, that shows that the market is flat. As you can see, these two indicators are matched with each other very well in evaluating the buying and selling pressure and discovering the balance of power between bulls and bears. Please pay attention that the signals provided by this indicator, like crossing of the bull line above +2 level, or crossing of the bear line below -2 level, or appearance of the histogram bars, should not be used alone for taking trading decisions, and you must use this indicator in conjunction with other tools and aspects of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.